Hey, what's up guys? Theo here. In this video we're going to make a very basic calculator with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a division with a class of calculator. Inside of this I'm going to nest 12 or 13 buttons. So let me give them some content. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I want to do plus, minus, division, make 3 more, and we'll do multiplication equals and a clear button. Okay, so with that, let me grab the calculator class, get a width of 300 pixels, 300 pixels, and that is the JavaScript, sorry. Let's do dot calculator with 300 pixels, and 300, and we will give it a border of 1 pixel solid black and a height of about 150 pixels. Cool. Height of 150 pixels, and we'll do dot calculator button. These will have a width of 50 pixels and a height of 30 pixels. Okay, cool. And we'll also do margin 0 auto and text align center. Cool. And I also want to create a results div right here, and this results is going to calculator.results, height of 50 pixels. Let's change it to 30 maybe. And it's just going to have a border of 1 pixel solid red. Cool, and that's going to store all of our results. Cool, and then maybe we will just bring this up to 180. And we'll also give this margin bottom of 20 pixels. Alright, and then I want to do one more thing. Style width 100%. And actually, let's change this to 90. Alright, looks good to go. And let's also give this margin top 5 pixels. Alright, so it's our very simple calculator. Let's get to writing the JavaScript that we need for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called running total, and this is basically just going to be an empty string, and it's going to store basically the aggregation of what we have computed inside of here. So the other variable I need is buttons, so I need a way to grab all the buttons on the page. So I'm going to do this with document.query selector all. I'm going to say button, but I need to change this into an array because this is a node list. So I'm going to do array.from, and there's other ways you could do this. You could do array.prototype.slice.call. And next up, I need to create an event listener for these buttons. So I'm going to create this method called handle computation. It's just a function which accepts an event. And to attach this, I'm going to say buttons.forEach function. And this is past the button itself. And I'm going to say button.addEventListener. I'm going to give it a click handler, have it process through handle computation and false. So you don't want it to bubble up. Doesn't really matter the third parameter, but just putting it in there. And inside of here, I need to get the actual text content. So if it says 0, I need to get that. If it says clear, I need to get that. So I can say var content equals event.current target.text content, and that will give me that. And I also need to handle each condition. So the easiest one to handle is the clear condition. So I can say if content is equal to clear, what do I want to do? Well, I want to set running total to be equal to just an empty string again, and I want to do I need to get the results, right? This results class as well. So I'm going to say var results equals document.query selector dot results. So I could say results.inner HTML equals running total. So that's the easiest one to handle. Now I could say if else if content is equal to equals, then I want to say running total is equal to eval of running total, And eval is a keyword in JavaScript. It's going to say it's harmful. Basically, it takes a string and it will compute it for us. So if I have a string of like this, I can do console.log eval, and I can pass it in 3 plus 3. And now if I look at my output, we should see, there we go, 6. So it's going to actually evaluate the string. Like it's, for this, it's going to do parse int and perform some computations. Cool. So with that, just explaining what eval was, I can do results.inner HTML equals eval, right? So, right, it's not really going to give me anything there. Or sorry, let me do running total, right? So obviously it's just giving us undefined because there's nothing in there. We're not really worrying about nulls right now. And then I'm going to say else if content is equal to plus, or content is equal to division, or content is equal to multiplication, or content is equal to subtraction. Then I want to say running total equals results dot inner HTML plus the content, and then I want to say results dot inner HTML equals running total. And finally, the other condition we have, if it's just some numbers, then I want to say running total equals results dot inner HTML plus content again, and then results dot inner HTML plus or equal to running total. I might have that backwards. Let me try this out. So we got 2. What is it telling me? 2, and then why is it doing that? Results dot HTML, adding numbers, running total, results dot inner HTML, running total, results dot inner HTML. Okay, let me look at that. So it's an empty string. And let me just try this. Put it in here. For results equals document dot query selector dot results. So let's try this out quick. Okay. No, we're still not getting what we want. Let me figure this out real quick. And what does it do when so it does the plus. Okay, so we made one mistake here. So we need to do results to inner HTML plus or equal to running total so equal to content. Okay, 0. Why is that not working? Return. Okay, so running total plus or equal to content. What is running total? Console.log running total. So it's 1, 1. Yeah, it's adding them together. Results.inner.html equals running total. And why is it not adding it on here? Inner HTML. Results. I'm not sure I'm following this. Running total. Okay, there we go. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. We've cleared it. And just to do something more fun for clear, we can do this. We can do running total equals clearing screen. And, or, yeah, we can do that. And then we can do set timeout function, run it, or results dot inner HTML empty string. I'll give that 2 seconds. So now we have like 7 plus 6 is 13. We can clearing screen, and it will go away. Alright guys, so that is about it for this video. Very simple JavaScript calculator. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Take care.